Hello guys, my name is Daniel from Dyna Racing, and today something nice is happening. I'm not buying the cylinder, I am buying a carburetor though. The bike has no handlebars. It has no cylinder. What are we doing? Okay guys, so as you can see the bike's a little bit apart right now, but that's because of the last video. But I took it a little bit apart. There are no handlebars, and yes, I'm holding my phone charger. There are no handlebars, they're on the ground there, because stuff is coming. And I took apart the piston, the cylinder, the head mostly, and this, you guys can see it, right? That it seemed to me like it soft seized in all of the ports. So yeah, these are the exhaust sides seizing, the middle of the port and the sides, and both the transfer ports are also soft seized. This bike had too much of a little carburetor and was running too lean, but otherwise the piston looks good. I'm gonna sand it a little bit down, clean some rough edges, and it will be good to ride again. But the cylinder is also good to ride again. But let's see what I'm doing to it. So I immersed it in a bowl of gas. Why? Because, let me take it out. Oh my god, what? You notice that rust, all that rust that's now coming out, but it was all in there and it was contaminating all my pipes. So for example, this transparent pipe was just full of bits of rust, as you can see. I'm gonna have to wash that off, and I don't want that in my coolant.
You lift my heart up when the rest of me is down. You enchant me even when you're not around. If there are boundaries, I will try to knock them down. I'm latching on, babe. Now I know what I have found.
Okay guys, so it's the next day and I got some pretty nice stuff around here. It cost me a lot of money though, but they're really nice. So, PWK carburetor, nice shiny carburetor, 21 on size, so it looks really nice, and we gotta make it work, and we are going to make it work. But we also got some more stuff. Handlebars for a FatBar or 28mm handlebar, or however you want to call it. So these are adapters in blue, same blue in the head white, so it looks really mint, nice, awesome, whatever you guys want to call it. We also got a nice handlebar to go with those FatBars. So it's a Dyna Racing, as you can see, 800mm length, and they look really nice. I'm pretty sure they're gonna look great. And today we are going to install all of them. All of the things I bought, we're going to install them and try to make the bike run. Yeah, we are going to try to make the bike run. So what do you say? We should get to it? Oh, yeah, we should, right?
Yeah.
guys, so it's day 2 already of the engine modification, carburetor exchange, handlebar thingy stuff. Yeah, so it's day 2 already, and we're gonna get working on it, getting it working or getting it running. I hope, as I said, I hope. So let's get to it, shall we? Guys, so this will be the end for this video. You guys have seen the bike running. It runs amazing. I had some problems with setting up the carburetor, the vacuum, because it was a vacuum petcock, so I had to do something a little bit different. So, but it's the end of this video. The bike runs, it runs really good. All I gotta do is just get all the things assembled, try and get a little bit more of fix on that grip, because it's twisting when I go through full throttle. And I try to click the button, but it feels really nice. It gets some kick, and the ported cylinder is just so nice. And thank you all for the support. Thank you for whatever you guys can call it. Thank you for all the people that helped me. So I really thank you. And I'll be going out in the streets soon with this bike, and I'll take you guys soon for a little trip with me. But in the next episode we're gonna mount that bike, and I'm on holiday, so the episode's gonna come really soon. And stay tuned for the next episode. Thank you all for watching. Keep riding, and you know, life's better with 2 strokes, so keep having fun, keep riding, keep popping wheelies, and I'll see you guys next time.